Okay, hello everyone. Today, Agro from first year showcasing your library management system. It's a mini project using linked list. So, moving forward, firstly, I introduce my team members Rishabh Mishra, Ladda Kaustubh, Himanshu Yadav, Gaurav Pandey, Meeneshwar Sulaniya. So, moving forward, firstly, we saw the project preview. What is a library management system? A library management system or LMS is a software designed to handle and automate the daily operations of library. It helps in managing books record, tracking book issues and return, and keeping the data organized and easily accessible. What is the purpose of a project? The main purposes are to create a simple and functional program that mimics a basic library operations. Second, to manage book information such as adding, searching, issuing, returning, and deleting books. To demonstrate the use of data structure or linked list in real life scenarios. And the last purpose was to build a menu driven application that is interactive and easy to use. Okay, now moving forward, the we saw the system workflow of our program. There are 5 steps. Step 1 is program initialization. So we have go to our code. I opened a code in VS Code for simple using. Okay, so when we run the code, it shows our library management system, and here are some options. In the upper section, I'll just add the book names that I'll explain later in this video. So here there are 7 options. You are seeing that add book, display, search, issue, return book, delete book, or exit. Our first step is program initialization. Though firstly, when we run the program and initialize it, it's create a 7 functions in our code. This is the initialization, or in the code we can see there run a struct book where the linked list is used, and in and then we made the functions like add book, and there are more functions such as display and search book, etc. So now moving for step 2, that is user selects an operation. So now in as we see in our program, there are 7 choices. We have to choose any one of these 7 choices, and it is chosen by a user. That's why its name is user selects an operation. Likely, for example, we selects an operation to display all the books. For that we have to click on 2 and returning. It shows the list of the books that are present in our library system. There are book IDs, title, atomic titles, author names, and availability of books. And here it shows how many books are issued in from our library management system. So it shows 0. It means there is no book issued by our library management system. For now issuing a book, let's we click on 4, and on returning it's ask us, we have to search our book by ID, its title or author. So suppose we go with the ID, and it asks the ID number. Let's suppose we give the 1003, and it shows that book issued successfully. It means that the ID of 1003 book is showed, and for that we'll just see what it show now in display. For that we'll click on 2, and on returning it shows that the ID number 1003 is issued 1. So this is all our step 2. And step 3 is function execution. As we also see, it's a quite similar to step 2. Like when we issued a book, or you can so see on adding a book, that is option 1. When we give it, it asks us a book ID. Let's suppose we give 1005. Book title, let's given a book title C Pro C programming, and author, like suppose we say mark. Okay, and we have to give the quantities. After entering after returning, it shows that book added successfully. So it happens when the function execution. For this purpose we have created a function. Let me show you in a code. In the very starting, that we make in a function with the name of add book. It asks us the id, quantity, title and author, and after giving those things to the code, it's created a list of that book and created in and added into our library management systems. Okay, so moving forward, our fourth step is linked list manipulation. Linked list manipulation, as we saw, there's an struct book in which quantity, issued, author, title are added, and linked list wise, like a singly linked list is operation is used in this code. That is a very simple program. And for the last step is loop until exit. For that we are seeing there, we use a do while loop. It is used when, because it firstly runs all the 7 cases, after that it will go again to the one. This is all the system workflow of our code. So moving forward, these some important functions that I already mentioned are add book to add the book to the list, display books to show all books, search book, find book by title, issue book, decrease available quantity, return book, increase quantities, delete book, remove book from list. These are the some functions that I use, or you can also see in the code that these are written on these numbers, like for 1 add book, for 3 search, for 2 display, for 4 issue, 5 return book, or for 6 delete. And so moving forward, what is the usefulness? Okay, for describing a usefulness of our project, this project demonstrates the real world use of linked list to manage library data dynamically, reinforcing core data structures concepts with hand-on experience. It also automates essential library tasks like issuing, returning and deleting books, reducing manual effort and ensuring organized and efficient book management. Lastly, the system also boosts programming skills by promoting modular coding, logical thinking, and practical understanding of memory handling and user interaction in C language. And the last conclusion, the library management system project successfully demonstrate how core programming concepts like data structure, memory management, and a modular design can be applied to solve real world problems built using C language and linked list. It provides a practical and efficient solution for the managing library records while enhancing problem solving and coding skills. This project not meets educational objective but also lays strong foundation for future software development endeavors. And with that, I would like to thank you.